Wake up, America! The stock market is crashing, and I'm here to tell you it was all planned. Millions of Americans are watching their 401ks and all of their investments tank right in front of their face, and there's nothing they can do about it. But here's the crazy part I want everyone to know. This isn't bad luck. This isn't the economy. This is all 100% a setup. I told you in the beginning of 2025 that we were going to talk more about money because it's important that everyone stays educated and understand truly what's going on with their money in 2025, because I knew that there was going to be major changes on the horizon. The rich knew this was coming. The biggest billionaires in the world, Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, hedge fund titans, and Wall Street sharks all dumped their stocks weeks and months ago. They cashed out and they walked away with billions. But regular, everyday, hardworking Americans were left just holding the bag. And a lot of people are panicking. A lot of people are saying, why is this happening? How is this president going to say he's going to make the greatest economy, and then he tanks the entire economy in less than a month, or was it like a month and a half into his term? So let me tell you exactly why this is happening, and it's not just about corporate greed. But before we get into this video, make sure that you smash that like and subscribe button so this video gets out to more people, so everyone can stay informed as to what's really going on with these massive market manipulation crashes. Make sure that you watch this till the end, because I'm going to give you the top 4 things that you need to do to protect your money as an American. This is about America's debt crises. The United States of America has to refinance $38 trillion in debt. Did you hear me right? I said $38 trillion in debt, and guess what? They need to lower that interest rates to do it. They're not going to try to refinance it at a higher interest rate, because then what's going to happen? The United States is going to continue to burn more cash. If the Fed does not cut the interest rates, then America can't afford its debt, and America could potentially go broke. I know that's crazy to say that, right? Right, yeah, I know. So what do? They make the economy look bad, they force a recession, and they crash the market. And then what happens next? The Federal Reserve will have no other choice but to cut interest rates. And while Americans all across the United States are crying over their 401k, they're celebrating, because guess what? Now they can buy everything back, but cheaper. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using Dispute Beast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created. And specifically to Wesley, Wesley's credit score went up over 226 points after just 2 rounds with Dispute Beast. And also Marcus's credit score went up 337 points after just 2 rounds with Dispute Beast. And let's not forget Richard. Richard's credit score went up 446 points after just 1 round with Dispute Beast. Dispute Beast is going to be pinned at the very top of the comments and in the video description for anybody that needs to fix their credit. Last part's the most important. This is exactly how the game works. The rich sell high, crash the market, buy low, and get even richer. And you, unfortunately, you're left broke, scared, and desperate. People talk about this all the time, but this is truly going to be one of the biggest moments in American history that you're going to see the biggest wealth transfer in history happen before your eyes in 2025. But here's the thing, it's not over yet. The next phase is coming, and if you don't know what's about to happen, you're going to get wiped out. So now that the market is crashed, now you have lost money, the Federal Reserve is under pressure to slash the interest rates. And the second they do, boom, the rich start buying everything back. They're already preparing. They know what's coming. They've done this before, and they're doing it again. While Americans are panicking out there, they're calmly waiting with billions, ready to buy up America at a discount. This is exactly what happened in 2008. The market crashed, people lost everything, and the rich, they bought it back. And when the market recovered, they doubled or tripled their wealth. This isn't a crisis for them. This is a business plan. I'm just keeping it 100 and telling you the truth. So let's get into the list. What do you do as an American? Number 1, do not sell in fear. They want you to panic. They want you to dump your stocks so they can come back and buy them cheap. Hold the line. Number 2, stack your cash. The rich are sitting on cash for a reason right now. And you should be too, because when the dust settles, that's when you make your move. And number 3, you need to start paying attention to the real game. The media won't tell you this, but I just did, and now you know. And finally, number 4, prepare for phase 2. The market is not done crashing yet. There's one more real big dip coming right before real recovery. Be ready. Listen to me. The system is built to keep you broke. They play the same game over and over and over again, and they count on you not knowing the rules. But now you do, and that means you have a choice. You can keep playing their game and losing, or you can play smarter and win. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something very valuable from it. And make sure that you watch this next video because it is about some major changes that are going to be happening with credit reports and credit scores in 2025 that you need to learn about. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.